Daddy's doing too tight. Oh, Daddy, that's too tight. It's too tight, Daddy.
It's gotta be tight.
No, I gotta let my foot breathe, Daddy. No, I hate it when it's too tight. You do whatever you want, but my ass got me back. At the car. Yeah. They're like, do you have bread? Let me get out of here before I get mallarded. Man. Welcome back. Like I never left. If you're looking for something interesting, then you are in the right place. Go ahead and throw your thumbs up on the video and subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. And today, we're in the goddamn wilderness. It's cold as hell. My nose is cold. It's crazy. But it's winter time in the Midwest, and this is what we're getting into. So there's going to be some really cool stuff today. We're going to check out some cool stuff. We're going to show you guys some cool stuff. It's just going to be a time, right? It's winter time. I got my cat ears on. I got my John Deere hoodie on. We're doing the damn thing. So make sure to let me know in the comments if it's cold where you are. I always want to know that. But your girl has got to continue this walk and get the heck back up in the car. So I will see you guys. Let's go! Does anybody on the face of the planet know what the hell that is? It does look like a little spider's nest. It's weird. Oh, days, you got your full face covered. I should probably have mine covered too.
Do you have something like that?
I'm gonna pull my hood up. Can we hold that for a second for me? Ooh, that's actually kind of nice. Crazy pants. Oh, it's actually warm though. Mm-hmm. You look freaking ready, baby.
So you gotta do
it. Damn, I don't remember it being this cold. Oh my goodness. Today, what is going on here, right? What is going on? Well, for those of you guys who don't know, I have several filming areas, and this is my filming area up here in the dang attic. And I have neglected it because I was filming elsewhere this year. So every time I finish something, I just literally put it up here. This has got to go away. So what I'm going to be doing over the next little bit is I am going to be gathering up this stuff to donate, getting rid of stuff, throwing stuff away, whatever. And ultimately, when we come back, this should be a nice, clean, open space that I can begin to film in again. We're going to see how it plays out and what's going on. That's the little spot that I have my little desk at and where I edit at now. But, woo! It's a hot, crazy mess, but I think we got this. I feel strong about it. Next time you guys see it, it should be nice and set up. I should have my table so that I can start filming up here again. I should have better organization. And I'm going to say that like 95% of the stuff should be gone. Why do I have a Tide thing? You know why I don't, this has not even got any detergent in it. You know why I have this? Because of my crafting bestie Joy from Joyful Designs. She's got me out here collecting trash, you guys. Doing trash to treasures. But Joy, I can't collect trash no more. We're going to have to let that go. So anyway, we'll see what we can do. Whoo, Lord. Yeah. Whoo, Lord. It's going to be a hot, crazy mess, y'all, but we're going to do it. Okay, you guys. So this is basically what it looks like now. And if you are a DIYer, it probably makes total sense to you. If you are not somebody who has a workshop or a DIY, you might be like, well, geez, it looks just as crazy as it did before. And that is true. It's always going to look a little bit crazy because I'm housing everything that I do here. I build lamps and all sorts of crazy. So it's not so much about things being like clean shelved. It was more about organizing the space so that I could more easily access the things that I needed. Also, I got like, I don't know, I think we got rid of like 6 totes full of stuff that I was able to donate, and also just some trash that I was holding on to. So I like this. I've got my nice little filming setup here that I never have to change out. Tons of space around me, and then there's a light directly above me, which is so cool. A lot more storage than I had before, including a couple of shelves over here that I could stage my stuff. Again, keep in mind that this is a 100-year-old house, and I'm in the attic. So it's a pitched roof attic. And it's an old house, so it's going to be what it's going to be. But this is perfect for me. I managed to get all of my, look at this, how many freaking needle nose pliers I have. I managed to get all of my stuff like that together. I didn't find all of my paint yet, but my paint, my stickers, my ropes, all that stuff, wood, and other projects I'm working on. Over here, I'm housing pretty much all of the florals, including my fake fruit situation that I've got here. I've got so much wood, it's not even funny. These are all my weird rolls of like freaking contact paper and other stuff like that. I haven't gotten into this closet yet, but I'm not mad at that. Over there is actually the spot where I work and where you guys usually see me if I'm filming in the morning. When you see me filming DIY videos, you're pretty much getting this look of it. See that little smooth camera pan? So it looks like there's a whole wall that's decorated like this, but ultimately it's not. It's just a panel that sits here on this shelf. So that's just a little hack for those of you guys who do what I do, which is stage shots for DIY purposes. You just get yourself a nice little spot that you can light pretty well, and it doesn't matter what's around it. Because if you strategically shoot the shot like this, right, looks like you're doing it in a really nice spot, and ultimately it's just, you know, 2 feet. Nice. I love the way that this came out. Again, it wasn't so much about having clean shelves. It was about being able to see what I had so that I could use what I had. And already I've made a couple of DIYs just based on materials that I recently found again. So I'm very, very excited and happy about that. And I think that this particular setup is just going to be a good one for me. So anyway, just wanted to make sure I let you guys know that I had completed it. And I'm excited. Like I said, I've already recorded here with the new setup, and I loved every last piece of it. So there you guys have it. Make sure to let me know if you shoot DIY videos or if you have a staged space, and if so, what tips do you guys have for setting up a stage space? like they thought I had the bread, y'all. For the record, I do not have the bread. They're like, do you have bread? Let me get out of here before I get mallarded. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Your girl is cold, my nose is cold, it's cold. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know how you guys are experiencing the holidays. Again, we do a lot of stuff the same every single year because it's just part of our tradition. But we'd like to add in some new stuff too. But let me know, what are some of you guys' holidays traditions and what are some new things that you guys try to do every year? I love this walk, you guys. Let's see if we can take a little walk down here on our way out. Have a good rest of you guys' day, everybody, and thank you so much again for watching.